Options trading is a game changer and can retire you in like 10 years. This is part one of a two-part series. I'm doing it this way because at the end of the video, I'm gonna give you homework to do throughout the week. Then when you watch the next video, you'll be ready to trade your options. I'm also show you how to trade options for free so you can work on your skill a little bit before even actually putting your own money into it. This is real beginner friendly. I'm gonna give you the whole rundown, so don't worry. So what is options trading? Options trading is trading stocks, whether on a daily basis, weekly basis, monthly basis. Everybody knows you make money in the stock market over the long term. Options trading is how you can make money on a daily, weekly, monthly basis. And to break it down in simple terms, the options trading is basically making a short-term prediction on where you think the stock is gonna go. You have two types of options. You have a call option and you have a put option. The way I like to explain it is, on a call option, you expect the market to go up. So if there's a call, you pick up the phone. On a put option, you expect the market to go down. So you put down the phone. Pick up the phone, put down the phone. Those are the two options. So with options, you can make money whether the stock is going up or down. I'm telling y'all, this is a skill that everybody should learn because it can retire you super early and you can live your life freely however you want to. Of course, in order to do options, you're gonna need a brokerage account. I use both Robinhood and Webull. I use Robinhood because that's where I first started my portfolio. So I use both Webull and Robinhood. There'll be a link in my description for both. Webull is where I collect some data from, and Robinhood is where I do my options. So now I'm gonna get into a little terminology. Earlier I talked about calls and puts. A call is when you expect the market to go up. A put is when you expect the market to go down. When you're looking at a chart, I look at my charts on TradingView. I'll put a link in the description for the TradingView website as well. Each candlestick represents what the stock did during a 1 day period. So when you're looking at the candlestick, you're just looking at 1 day, what the stock did in 1 day. If the candle was green, that means the stock went up that day. If the candle was red, that means the stock went down that day. On the green candle, the top of the candle is where the stock closed for the day, and the bottom is where the stock opened. On the red candle, the top is where the stock opened, and the bottom is where the stock closed. When I say open and close, I mean when the stock started at the day, it started at a certain price. When the stock market closed in the afternoon, it ended at a certain price. So that's another term, open and close. Also on the chart, you'll see on top of the wick, you'll see little candlesticks. The candlestick on the top and bottom of the wick will show you what the candle price high was and the low was, because during the day the stock price can go higher than where it closed at, and it can go lower than where it closes. So the wick shows you where the high for the day was and the low for the day was, and the candlestick shows you where the open and close was, or where the close and open was, whether it's a green or a red candle. Webull has an option for paper trading. Paper trading is basically practice trading. You don't have to use any of your own money to trade. You just practice your trades. Once you hit like 10 trades in a row, then you know you're good. Watch this video, watch my video the week after this one, and then paper trade, and you'll be good. No money invested. You learned a new skill to make yourself a money printing machine. So I feel like I went over the basics and the terminology. Now I want to give you an example of a trade. Remember, today is September 11th. I'm gonna show you another way to minimize your losses. When you're doing options, you wanna make a stop loss. A stop loss is when you want the trade canceled at a certain price. If you plan for the trade to go on the upside and it goes downwards, you place the stop loss on what you're willing to lose on that trade. In these two videos, I should give you enough information to make you win most, if not all, your trades. And if you like and subscribe, I'm gonna post a lot of different trading content in my YouTube shorts in the future to continuously guide y'all on this trail. I'm not just gonna leave y'all hanging after these first two videos. I'm gonna keep posting YouTube shorts, keeping you informed on my trades, what I see the market doing, and try to give you a heads up ahead of time to make sure you're making the right trades or the same trades that I'm making. Now that you know all the basics, now I'm gonna give you your homework. For this next week, before I post my next video on Friday, I need you to download the Robinhood app, download the Webull app, and also take a daily look at TradingView. You're gonna download Robinhood because they give you free stocks to sign up, and that's the only way you're gonna be able to follow me on my individual trades when I do my shorts and all that. You're gonna download Webull because I use Webull as an example for studying the trade. TradingView is where you're gonna see the candlestick chart to know how to make your move for the next day. When I say next day, you can make daily trades, you can make monthly trades. Of course, the stock market goes up over the long term. So the longer your trade, the less money you make. If you make a trade in a single day, hence the word day trading, you get more profit. If you make a trade over a 30-month period, you get less profit. You can make day trades, week trades, and monthly trades all at the same time if you want to. But within these 2 videos, I'm gonna teach you how to be a sniper. So now it's time for your homework lesson. For your homework, I want you to study chart patterns. I want you to study a flag pattern, the double top, the double bottom. Study the flag patterns. Somewhere in this video, I'll post all the patterns. I want you to go on TradingView and study these patterns. Look at these patterns. Look at a stock, recognize the pattern. Go on Webull, use my link for Webull, go on Webull and do a paper trade on these stocks. Remember, I'm posting this on September 11th. I want to give y'all an example of a trade that I'm doing right now that's gonna go up. Palantir to me is the best stock to start off with. It's not extremely expensive. And I want you to take a look at this chart and tell me which pattern that you see. Okay, so in Palantir's chart, what I currently see is a double bottom. You see that double bottom, you want to make a trade towards the upside. That means the stock went up, it hit resistance, it came back down. Now it's down for the come up. So on the double bottom, that second time that it comes down right around to the same level, it's gonna shoot back up. I'm recording this on a Monday and I'm posting it on Friday. So when you watch this video, the stock should be higher than what it is when I'm currently recording it. And if it is, make sure you like and subscribe and watch the next video next week where I'll put you on more game on how to trade your stock options.